In this video, we will talk about TCS versus Cognizant, or what should you choose between TCS and Cognizant. Or you may have doubt, should you join TCS as a fresher? I will say no. So why I'm saying no, I'm working in TCS, and why I'm saying no, I joined TCS as a fresher, and why I'm saying no. So in this video I will tell you few points so you will understand better. You should join TCS as a fresher or should you join TCS as a experienced person. Please watch this video till end. I will explain the few points so you will able to decide you should join TCS or you should join Cognizant. So whatever you feel better, you can choose. First point is just salary hike. So where is a good salary hike? Because we are working, so obviously we need salary. So where you can get a good salary? So definitely you can get a good salary in Cognizant as compared to TCS. Once your hike happened after your joining, that time you can get the more hike from the Cognizant as compared to TCS. You cannot get much hike from TCS, but Cognizant is definitely providing a good hike. So as compared to hike or salary structure, salary wise, Cognizant is good. So the second point is a learning opportunity. So from where you can get a more learning opportunity, you can get in TCS more learning opportunity or in Cognizant. So learning opportunity, TCS is having a internal platform like Udemy for Business, and any other internal platform is available for learning. In Cognizant also a learning platform is available, so you can learn. So learning wise both are equal, so both are providing a equal opportunity in terms of learning. So I will say learning wise both are equal. Next point is location. So both are the IT companies, so offices are available across the India, so you can easily get your nearby city, you can get your nearby, so every office is available in nearby. So location should not be a constraint while joining, I will say. So look, all companies are available on different location, and there are so many locations available on in India, so you can choose location anywhere. You can choose location: Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Bhubaneswar. All are means both companies are available location wise. Next point is a work life balance. So where is you can get more work life balance? So in I can say in TCS you can get a more work life balance, because the working hour of TCS is 9 hour and the working hour of Cognizant is a 10 hour. So they are in Cognizant, they are closely tracking, you are logging in for 10 hour, but in TCS they are not tracking closely, you are logging a 9 hour. Just if you will complete the work in TCS on time, then you will be free. Just you need to sit, and if your work is completed before time, then you should not be worried about that, you should not have a more work pressure. But in Cognizant definitely you should log in for a 10 hour, they are tracking very closely. So I should say work culture is good in TCS. Next point is a on-site opportunity. So as a fresher you will not get an on-site opportunity. Only one or two project is allowing to go to the client location to do the work, but mostly you will not get in any company like in TCS or Cognizant. You will not get, only in one or two projects are there in each company, so you can get a client location. But in 99 case as a fresher they are not allowing, especially they are not sending to the on-site. But if there is a 1% chance your full team is working as a client location, so there is only 1% chance. So on-site opportunity as a fresher you will not get much in both the companies. The next point is a most important point, that is a job security. So where is a more security in terms of job? So definitely I will say job security is more in TCS. If you are on bench, then TCS will not release you or not fire you. But in Cognizant they can fire you definitely. It's a chance. If you are not allocated to a project in Cognizant, then there is a high chance they can send you out. But in TCS they are not doing this thing. But if you are joining as a fresher, then you are they are not paying that much as a fresher, so they will not fire you. But as compared to as a experienced person, you are working in a Cognizant, then as a experienced person they are paying more, and you are sitting on a bench, you are not allocated to any project, then there is a high chance to they can release you easily in Cognizant. But in TCS, here is a job security, so you should not be worried about. So as a fresher in Cognizant, they are paying you a less amount as a fresher, so they will not release you, they will try to push you into any project. So you should not be worried about as a fresher job security. So definitely after some time you will change after 2 years. And one more thing, if you have two offer letter, one is from TCS and one is from CTS or Cognizant, then if CTS is paying you high, then you should choose CTS. If you have a offer letter with TCS is paying high, like it is paying 2 times of CTS, then you should go with TCS. So you can choose offer letter wise also. And so if you have a multiple offer letter, which one is giving you a more hike, you can choose that one. Why I said in starting, should you join TCS as a fresher, I said no. Because why I said no, because once you left TCS, definitely you will join as a fresher. Then after 2.5 or 3 years, you will try to switch. Then once you will switch the company, you will left TCS, then you cannot come back. This is a one rule in TCS. Once you will go out from TCS, then you cannot come back. But it is only in TCS. This rule is not available in all the company. So you should keep this option safe. So you can choose TCS after 2 or 3 switch. I joined TCS as a fresher. Now if I want to switch or I will go out, then I cannot come back definitely. So this is a one disadvantage. So keep this option safe, because after 3 or 4 switch you can come in TCS easily. So here no work pressure, and here is a more work life balance. After some time, after 7 to 8 year of experience, definitely you need a work life balance. So that time you can join TCS, so then it will be a more easy in your work life balance. As a fresher, you are looking for a learning opportunity, then you can join any other company. If you have an offer from different company, one is TCS and one is other company, then you should go to that company, because after some time you can join TCS. Hope now it's all clear. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. I will definitely reply. If you are new to this channel, then please hit the subscribe button. In future I will be uploading more video, so please subscribe this channel. Thank you.